Everyone at Manex, we're all very passionate about the mission of helping American manufacturing. And because we're in the Bay Area, that translates to Bay Area manufacturing. And we all come out of manufacturing. Every employee has worked in manufacturing, on the floor or in management or both. So we're all about American made and Bay Area made. That's why we're a sponsor here, because that's what we do. 10% of the state's population is employed in manufacturing, but it often gets overlooked because we have such a diverse economy. There's a lot of exports out of California that are manufactured goods, so it's an important sector, and it also has a high multiplier in terms of its economic impact. This event is important to manufacturers because it gives them a voice, it gives them an opportunity to come together. And the reason Manex is here is to share best practices and to meet and network. We can provide our automation expert to give a class here. We can provide our lean expert to give a class here as well.
We're here today to really celebrate manufacturing, and the Association of Manufacturers Bay Area is an organization that is leading the charge for Bay Area manufacturers to provide a forum and an avenue and a place for them to not only network, but to learn from others, to learn about best practices, to obtain education about things they should be implementing or consider implementing.
The AM Bay Area Summit is a lot of fun because it's sharing of knowledge and a sharing of best practices, and I find these events to be extremely useful to Manex to get the word out about what we're doing.